my foodies. Welcome to Tufumbe show on Kuspak TV. Eranga bambita during Sasira. The show is brought to you by Chico Mchuzi Mix Oralero. Ndisaidize munyonyo eranga mbali today, the one and only, the queen of the Nile, Chandiru. Tukina kwa tumufumbiro agenda kwanga tuisamu ku processes zimu like walomere jatiro kwagala yaga mesakala nyo bisike njagala nyo bifumbi. I think that's how she has been able to maintain herself, her body. Well, no, Ozando. But Mokongola, but my man. Zendekala mbanya kaskin kukanja glowing. So hey, Jackie Chandiru akola holiday recently bakupeno nino yemnage yo motata fayo oli she can't be, you can't shake her. Otherwise guys, abali mu group ya Tufumbe banange mwe bali nnyo mbebaza nnyo tulina groups 3 namberi yawo. Yagambye njagala balagako, you know how I get to maintain my body. Ayagala nyo healthy eating era nagamba ye ebisike sinyo nnyo. Ina kyatutegekadde mu fumbiro. So tukena koma nga tunyumyamu nga wetufumba just like that. Hi Jackie.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm
looking good.
Malanga, stop.
Oh, stop it. Olabika bulungi. So say hi to abalabi ba Tufumbe show Kuspak TV.
Mujje baleko basaba ne banyabo. Abalabi ba Tufumbe Kuspak TV. Amanya Nedovozi is for the bad girl gangster straight from Kijomoro Marachaluba Ramazamba Zamba Kuari, the queen of the Nile, Jackie Chandiru.
What is that?
When I enjoy get them into virunchi byoka.
What affirmation? No,
it's I'm just saying it's I'm a home girl. I'm a Lugbara by tribe. So mix them by the I want to people cook in different ways.
Yeah.
Nze nfumba byange nze nganze
Ebikusanyusa.
ebinsanyusa nze nganze binkoledde nno binkoledde. So I've got the oatmeal, then I've got the green pepper, yellow pepper, a lot of tomatoes for one reason, because I want thick stew.
Yeah.
I don't want to use tomato paste. And then the carrots.
Okay.
The reason as to why I like the different colors is because when it comes to food looks nice and got colors nyingi nnyo.
Yes.
So I'm going to put a little bit of oil. Because it is overheated.
Okay.
For now, the heat is low there.
Yeah.
Nema even ebintu by'abagagga mu mpewo z'abagagga things are bikola ku speed. So we do the usual, you know.
Yeah, take a more.
I do the onions.
Yes.
I prefer the when you cut them in cubically like this. Because they're kabulungi.
Yes.
And then you know when you're serving food, it doesn't even show.
Sure.
You know. And I do the spring onions as well at the same time. And then engeri gye nfumbamu nange ebintu byange kankubulireko.
Buli omanyi n'enfumba ye. Nange nzira bagamba.
Okitegeera.
Nange n'enfumba eyange.
Yes. So, for me, that's what works.
All right.
I start that way. Sometimes when you go to a hotel, if you notice, there's never much salt.
No.
There's supposed to be a pinch of salt. So
Yes,
when you're
yes.
boiling, you should not put too much.
You put a little.
Very little.
Oli
Kintu
wawayagala,
kidogo. Yeah.
yeah, kids
That is it. So the person has to add by themselves.
Wow.
So I do the tomatoes. I prefer to ntera okwagala ziteekamu much earlier because I need to make that gravy. That
the
thick,
thick gravy. Yeah.
I need to do that.
Okay. Interesting.
So, how is work? Nzabuuza gwe gwabuuza nze.
Asi ndi mukwebuuza sirabyeko garlic. Otya garlic kati bagamba bakazi bagala garlic. Simenya atowa abawunyako.
Oh.
Chief.
Naye ng'ate garlic ebayamba nnyo. I don't want to say it on TV, but it helps them in various
Well, I know
ways.
I heard of infections, it helps.
Yes.
Infections.
That's why I said I didn't want to say it on TV.
No, on TV it's
Naye
okay.
kiyamba nnyo. It helps
Bachala.
women a lot. Yes.
Blend is just like that.
You can choose what you want to do. You can also boil it as well. You can blend it and use with hot water. So it does help a lot. So women should take, it has a scent that
I know,
can be irritating to people.
That's why they say
Yes.
men onaunya garlic. Why?
Kati bw'oba olina ekizibu ne garlic simanyi ky'ojja okukola nange munnaye kankubulyeko. That's what I can tell you.
So Jackie, there's something I've seen that is very fascinating, like the tattoos.
Oh, the tattoos.
I've always loved tattoos.
How come you don't have any tattoo? I don't see anything on you. Why?
Then, when I go to love, I'm going to take a erinnya ly'omusajja.
La haula maswali. Kibi nnyo ekyo ky'oyogedde.
Sikikolanga.
Tokikolanga.
Akayimbako ne kantaasa tell me how come. Believe me.
That song. I was so heartbroken. Ky'ovola buli bw'oba nga okkiriza nti now I'm in love. Put one leg, leave the other one where?
There.
Outside.
And then mukama kimanye nti anytime.
Sawa yonna, you have to be ready for everything, ever ready. Yes.
Wala kyenabye baba wandika bloggers yesterday. Nenga bagamba wagambye engulu. Toliddamu kuteeka relationship mu public.
Wabula tisobola. Kyakoma. Nafuna dozi yange. Nenjifuna gundi yali 1 times 10 nenkomaho. Ati sikyayagala.
Toliddamu.
Siriddamu.
We should wait one day and tugamba bambi.
Saagalirako ddala. DSTV nga tekuliko PG, tekuli gundi PG bintu ng'ebyo. So there's some, I don't know, I just, my mother started telling me about things like housework from I think around the age of 7
Wow.
years. because ye mukazi mu Uganda, so she believes jagala nnyo ebintu byawaka, home things, yeah. So she started at a very young age, which I found unnecessary, but later kyanyamba nnyo. Mpora mpora bwe batyo. Yes. So I have taken this off just for purposes of mashing the tomatoes. Nga tekuli heat.
Yes. Because you're looking for that thick soup.
I want the thick, yes. I want that thick gondi because I didn't want to use tomato paste. You can use tomato paste, but if you want.
Yeah, if you want. Yeah, true. All right, tuchali fena wanoku Spark TV Tufumbe show Doreen Nasasira ne Jackie Chandiru eranga mukwano akawowo kali mufumbiro katulaba wabituse
mpora mpora.
By the way, nange mukunyama nange mfumba bwe intestiga. All right. So when you're stressed out, like what about when you are stressed, wagena mufumbiro chimuyamba through.
Oh, that is it.
Stress. So simanya wana wichukukolera at some point.
I do 3 things when bang and stressed to know. Mvuga. Navuga ko I woke up sometime at I think 5 in the morning, and then I drove to Busia. I went took a soda, and then I drove back. Wow. I needed to think. It's one of my therapy things. Then I changed to the other thing is cooking. So cooking, and then the third, the main one is singing. Chovola, but there's that song. Tell me how come every time that I walk away. So whenever I'm stressed, I do 3 things. I cook, I sing, and I drive.
I understand.
Yes.
But you're right. Okay. Beautiful.
Yes.
We
are almost. With rice, you have to be very specific with the way you cook.
Very true.
This takes about 3-4 minutes. It doesn't take really long because I boil, I fry, then boil after. So, tunatira.
Oh, meanwhile, the soup here.
It has to be thick.
My dear. Thick.
Yes.
All right, so guys, tuchali fena wano. Tufumbe show Spark TV tuchayine Jackie Chandiru and tugena kumulamu katono nnyo bwe tukomawo tugenda mula step C then tunyumye mu katono nnyo tutestinge walo chief tester yesunze okulaba nti Jackie kituufu omunyo biyidde tukoma wiki ono ayidde bena nga tukomyewo. But remember the show is brought to you by Chiko Muchuzi Mix. Semovao tukomao. Guys, welcome back from the break. Oshali nange wano Tufumbe show Spark TV. Hey. Basa vinga. Banange, how does it feel to be served by Jackie Chandiru, the baddest? Bade sugar yagala okulya era mpaka.
Munansonyiwa. Ebyaso sheka nze sibimanyi nze nsabanga mu kyalo mulugwala.
Okay. Thank you. Kakati sugar. Buza ku bantu. Kukulabeyo everywhere.
Abalaba Spark TV program Tufumbe. Leero nzizenga aluza ku mmere.
Yes.
Tester.
Yeah. Jackie Chandiru afumbye.
By the way, kumanche kitegeza legendary okuserving. This is an honor.
Jackie Chandiru.
Chingoze bulungi naye ali ku nacho.
Alipo. Team black.
And the fact that it's even soft. Jackie Chandiru. Juju. Perfect.
Nze just know I'm honored. Nze kola batagenda nga mubivulu. I'm like, Jackie, hi Jackie. Kati ndi wano tudde nawe. I'm like, yeah. This is lovely. Can food keep a man to get a maspa?
Yes. Oba ng'otaddemu ebirungo bulungi nnyo ng'ofumbye bulungi nnyo, so a man will know that you've given it time.
Okay.
Yes.
And then just random questions before we get into the Did you get tired, like, nakusaba sente all the time?
Yeah, I did get tired, but I had hope. The main thing is you have to have hope.
Oh, so you get your broke man go, mind there's hope one day.
Yeah, you never know.
How do you find him dating these days?
I love it.
You're enjoying the games they're playing. I don't feel like there's love these days.
And then Maracha, no one will hear from you again.
Jackie. Yeah. But this is so beautiful. So I saw somewhere like you, first of all, you have a new song.
Yeah.
You can be why you're about Uganda industry is dead. Jackie. How dead is it now? How come you're coming back? Like, are you like planning? Are you just now singing just for the sake? Are you planning to retire one time and that is your passion? Or
Music is my passion, and of course, yes, I have to retire. But as of now, very been pretty in the industry. So Monday, I needed to bring a broom to try and sweep. Yes, and then also even as Blue Street, we have to come and fast. It's definitely next year. Oh, you better. You better. You better.
So the new song is about what exactly?
The new song, it's called Togenda.
Togenda.
Yes.
Love song, I guess.
Yes. But I would them one to chap. But putting that aside, I like the fact that it had that zouk. You know, when it comes to zouk, or very careful, zouk and compa.
Yeah.
Bobo yimba, because that's a timeless kind of genre of music.
Yeah.
So I was very excited when I heard it and when I listened to the words. And I've been pretty tamukawo.
So to smoke about that, we're going to go to
Zagoba. So
musajja akukwana naye n'ogamba onkwanyi.
Kati nkoze konsobiwe kati akantu kati nyowe kali agala kungoba kudiru ki.
So kulemera ku basajja mpaka.
Nedda bw'oba ng'osazewo nti yono. Amugamba togenda atoteka mu boko. Togenda. Okitegeera abalagawa.
So now with Christmas season, how do we spend Christmas season? Like as singles, how would you recommend, advise those girls out there who are single? I don't know.
Aba singles simanyi all bagamba ge mazima. Bati bakibi nnyo nti up to this point tebanaba kukwanako. Oko so kutambulako mu taxi park ne bakugambako sister over brother.
So how did you get back the self-love? Like I want you to inspire a woman out there. Like how did you get back the self? Because I know sometimes you get relapse. No, we don't have a knack. Yeah, that's still there's something lacking. How do you making sure you divert yourself not to go back to all that trauma, the depression?
Before even I got to realize something about myself, first and foremost, it is Mukama.
I know.
He's the one who had to instill that in me, I am something, and he has kept me alive for a reason because he's the creator.
Very true.
So it was him, first and foremost. Then secondly, of course, Nzenganzi, ndi mukazi mulugwala.
Yeah.
Mami ava Masaka. The biggest portion of me ndi mukazi mulugwala. That's why there are some things that I was saying and you're like, hey, you must be a hard person. But no. Amaze okugali nti nze nitolanga swaziniga nze sifira mu film yange.
Rainbow.
You know?
Yeah.
You know, there's that movie Terminator. I always keep telling people that there's Terminator, like he keeps coming back somehow.
He don't die.
Yes. So I don't see why Mukama babanga ampadde chance nti to come out nga you're a name that is so big in a very big way nti ate ogende in an embarrassing way.
True.
So sisa kufira mu film yange no. And bajita Jackie Chandiru, the bad gala gangster.
Yes. Okay, so last message as we're going you know, Happy New Year, like, yeah, those happy, you know, holiday. Any last message to the viewers, your fans, the women out there?
For everything it is, actually, Sawas, you know, anything can happen. People are careless, people are happy. So put God first. And then when it comes to Bachala Vanange, tewetaaga kwemenya nnyo. Muntu yoli ku YouTube nti ofumba ebintu nga 15 ebirungo bya kina omuntu oyinza omuwa obutwa instead n'afanga ebirungo biyitiridde
bulubuto.
So just whenever it comes to the kitchen and you're cooking for people that you love, your family, you're cooking for your husband, cook from your heart. And that's what will make everything.
Do you believe in resolutions?
Yes.
Have you ever said them? No, following us through Ghana.
I don't usually make resolutions, but I have the intuition that everything is going to be fine. That's what I tell myself.
Lovely. As we are winding up and Enika acapella akatono. Kona me love your voice, Jackie. Any about whatever song.
I don't even know what to do.
I don't know I don't mind.
I don't know. I've got a new song. It's called Togena. So I don't know. Yeah, people don't know it.
It's okay.
I can do something. Let me see. What do I do?
So I
grew on me.
I know.
So we can okay. I'll try and mix this. I'll mix Jackie, then I'll mix
okay.
Said I wanna be right there where you are, and I wanna be right in your arms. Kiss on my lips every morning is all I want. Where you are, yeah, baby, where you are, yeah. Togena, my baby, I see you slipping away, now like a homesick.
Wow, thank you, Jackie. Love
you so much.
Guys, just I'm excited. Such a great vibe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah. Kati guys, mweba nyokola Tufumbe show ku Spark TV. Iranga the show is brought to you by Chico Muchuzi Mix. And next time wetu kama umanya wale chirache tubalite chipya. Mweba le nnyo, mweba ide dala mukama bakume. Happy New Year. Bye bye.